Hey guys, it's Steve. It is early Wednesday morning, January 25th, 2023, and it is snowing out here. As you can see, the snow on the ground. Yeah. I'm gonna go out in the street a little bit. It basically started snowing overnight. Snow on the cars. And it's supposed to snow until like later this afternoon or whatever. So I'm gonna have a couple more clips maybe. Here's the snow in the street. But yeah, I may have a couple more updates. I don't know if I'll record the aftermath with the weather app. It might not go that far back. I did take a couple screenshots of the snow of the weather app. I didn't feel like recording it, so I just took some screenshots. So yeah. Alright, it is like 12:30 now in the afternoon. Last time I recorded was like 6 a.m. It still is snowing, but see the ground, it looks like less snow's on the ground now than, like, looks like some of the snow is melted. It was like a little bit more snow on the ground. The streets, there's no snow and it probably got plowed. But yeah, it still is snowing, but it seems like no snow is added up. Maybe it was the snow turned into rain for a little bit. That's what caused some of the snow to, and not to mention the snow looks more like, some of it kind of looks slushy or whatever, but I don't know. But yeah, I'll basically maybe record more, another update or two, if it continues to snow or not in a little bit. So yeah. Alright, yeah, it's pretty much stopped snowing. It's like after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, it seems like a lot of the snow is melted. Definitely not as much snow on the ground as there was earlier this morning at like 6 a.m. when I started this. I don't know. And yeah, I believe the last clip I recorded like a few hours ago, there was more snow on the ground than there is now. Definitely seems like it's melting. But yeah. Again, you see the street, there's nothing there. There's a bird. Garbage truck. But yeah. Alright, this is probably gonna be the final update. It's like 3 o'clock or about to be 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, it stopped snowing, and yeah, a lot of the snow is melted since the last clip that I recorded. Yeah, it's definitely stopped. Oh, it does seem like there are a little bit of flurries at the moment, but there's really nothing heavy. Going to the street, yeah, definitely a lot of the snow's melted, and it's probably going to continue to melt. Yeah. But I did see later on in the forecast it's also supposed to snow later tonight, so maybe I'll do another snowstorm video. But yeah. Slush. Yeah. But don't know what else to say. This is basically the snowstorm started out at like 6 a.m. and yeah, it was snowing pretty heavily, and there was a lot more snow on the ground, and now it's just real light snow, and a lot of the snow is melted since. So yeah, basically gonna end this snowstorm video. I'm not gonna record the aftermath because it's a school bus coming. Gotta put the camera down, don't want people to see me. But yeah, not gonna record the weather aftermath because yeah, I don't think the aftermath goes back that far of when the snow first started and everything that hit. So yeah, but it's possible I might do another snowstorm video, maybe even tonight if it snows, so we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this. Just a short little snowstorm video, didn't record too much of it, and yeah, so see you later guys, goodbye, have a good one.